so today I'm going to show you on how you can change the Windows 11 system sounds to the Windows XP one. So first, all we gotta do is open our internet browser of our choice and head down to this web page right here. The link is down in the description. Once we have launched the web page, all we gotta do is scroll down where it says download options, and we gotta install the Windows executable file. It will pop up and then we'll have to save it. Now it has been downloaded. So we're gonna run the program. It will say that the Windows is protecting the PC, but we don't give a anyways. We press on run anyway, and a pop-up is gonna show us in the user account control. We just wanna click on yes, and we gotta do the installation setup for classic sounds, which is going to be the Windows XP sounds, but it will do it for us automatically. The notes, these are the notes of the developer where it places the sound files of the Windows XP and such. And we also gotta disable fast boot if y'all don't use this feature, right? And then we press next, and it will do the procedure automatically. It installed it and has launched the sound panel, and every sound now it has been changed to the XP sound scheme. So if I test this, let me yeah, you can hear it. Anyways, yeah, enough of that. So let's say if I want to shut down my system now, I think it will play it. Yes. And that's how you do it. I'll have to record the startup again because most of you guys might say that it's clickbait, so we're just gonna have to wait till it starts up again. Yeah, take your time because I turned off your thing, fast boot, whatever. Okay. This is the lock screen. I know, very wow. And yeah, that's it. Okay, so the common bugs of the software, now that we installed it, is that when we log off like this to the lock screen, it won't play the logout sound, which is quite a problem for most users, because you'd expect to listen to that. Unfortunately, this software was probably made for Windows 10 and doesn't do it exactly. And the only way that I've managed to play it is only if you sign out from your account. If you do that. But once you try to log in again, the sounds are gonna be bugged. You see, now the welcome page did not even play any sound. So let's say I want to restart or shut down, it won't play it. So we gotta wait again. Yeah, I know it's pretty quiet because I wasn't expecting it either. And now once we start up the computer again, no sound is gonna be Now sometimes you are gonna hear the sound, sometimes not, because you have to enter your passwords and such. You won't hear the startup sound unless you got your password, if you have any passwords or whatever. That would only happen like if I were to shut it down, but I didn't. So that's the bugs that you are gonna encounter. That's all. Thanks for watching.